Are you searching for the perfect first car with a tight budget and don't know if that's possible? Let me tell you that you can get the perfect car with most of the features you want without having to break the bank. Welcome to the Autosparkle show. We all know that feeling of needing a new ride but not wanting to break the bank. So, if you're on a budget of $5,000 or less, fear not, as we will be showcasing the top 7 affordable cars under $5,000 in this video. So, let's jump right in. We are starting the list with the Toyota Corolla. This little car is practically synonymous with reliability and affordability. It is loved for its long-lasting durability and spacious interior. It's perfect for families or anyone looking for a practical and dependable ride. You can easily find used Corollas with well over 200,000 miles on them that are still running strong. Plus, they're incredibly fuel efficient, making them a great choice for commuters. Just be aware that you might not win any drag races with a Corolla, but it's a safe, reliable, and budget-friendly option that will get you where you need to go. Next up, we have the Honda Civic. Another Japanese superstar known for its reliability and fuel efficiency, the Honda Civic is a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. With its comfortable interior and impressive handling, this car won't disappoint. They also tend to offer a bit more pep than their Toyota counterparts, making them a good option for drivers who want a little more fun behind the wheel. Just like the Corolla, you can find used Civics with high mileage that are still in great condition. Moving on, at number 5, we can't forget about the Ford Focus. It offers incredible performance for its price. With its nimble handling and turbocharged engine, the Ford Focus is a popular choice for budget buyers. Plus, its sleek design and comfortable features make it a joy to drive. However, it's not the most fuel-efficient car on the list, and it might be a bit rough for everyday commuting. But if you're looking for a fun and affordable performance car, the Focus ST is definitely worth considering. Taking the place of number 4 is the Chevrolet Impala. This full-size sedan offers a smooth and quiet ride, along with plenty of space for passengers and cargo. With its affordable price tag, the Impala is a reliable choice for those on a budget. At number 3, we have the Hyundai Elantra. If you're looking for a compact car, the Hyundai Elantra is a great option. Hyundai has come a long way in recent years, and the Elantra is a testament to that. This stylish sedan offers a lot of bang for your buck, with features like a sunroof, heated seats, and a touchscreen infotainment system. It's also surprisingly spacious and comfortable, making it a great choice for everyday driving. Plus, its affordable price and warranty makes it even more attractive. With its stylish design and excellent fuel economy, the Elantra is perfect for commuting or city driving. Though this one might not be the most practical choice on the list, but it's definitely the most fun. Moving towards the sporty side, at number 2, we have the Mazda MX-5 Miata. It's a 2-seater convertible that's known for its nimble handling and drop-top fun. This iconic convertible offers a thrilling driving experience at an affordable price. If you're looking for a weekend cruiser or a sunny day adventure machine, the Miata is a fantastic option. Just be aware that it's not the most spacious car, and you might have to get creative with your cargo. Lastly, we have the Subaru Forester. Known for its reliability and impressive all-wheel drive system, the Forester is a great choice if you need a versatile and capable SUV with a bit more space. This small SUV offers all-wheel drive, plenty of cargo room, and a comfortable ride. It's not the most exciting car to drive, but it's a safe, reliable, and versatile choice for families or outdoor enthusiasts. With its affordable price, it's a solid option for any budget-conscious buyer. So there you have it, the top 7 affordable cars under $5,000. Whether you need a sedan, compact car, or even an SUV, there's a budget-friendly option out there for you. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car-related content. Happy car hunting!
Today's show was brought to you by Autosparkle, Africa's leading waterless automotive detailing brand. Learn more about Autosparkle on www.myautosparkle.com and follow @myAutosparkle across social media. Just before you go, remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on your posts notifications so you don't miss the next best thing since man could get moved around by a machine.